this video, I will show you how to refer friends in ByBit. So first of all, open up your ByBit app, and if you aren't started yet, then go ahead and check the link in the description to get started for free and to earn yourself a nice welcome bonus. So if you're interested, click the link down below. But anyway, let's dive into this video by clicking on the profile icon at the top left from our home screen. And in here, we see invite friends next to security. So let's go ahead and click on this. And right now, we are entering the referral program of ByBit. So in order to start, you need to click on invite friends down below, and then you will be able to invite friends through social media or copy the link and paste it in anywhere you like. And down below, you can see the commission, and that is 20%. So 20% for qualified referees and 25% for qualified referees if you have more than 5, and 30% for qualified referees above 100. So it is a really nice bonus that you can get by referring friends on ByBit. So in order to start, as I already said, click on invite friends and copy the link, or just send it through social media. And that is what you can do. You can also access your link in here by clicking on this copy to clipboard icon. And that is how this works. So there are also challenges. As you can see, there are multiple rewards, but the best way to get started is just by first sending someone this link. And when they sign up through this link, and when they make some deposits and really trade, then you will eventually get the bonus. So that is how it works. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I see you in the next one.